Hi traders, welcome to my Master Trader channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe by pressing the subscribe button and also click on the bell button for future notification. Let's get into the levels of Bank Nifty and Nifty yesterday shared and their performance along with today's movement. And we will not be selecting any stock today as we are not available during the market. But from tomorrow, we will be providing you the calls during the market hours in our Telegram channel. So let's get into the Nifty levels shared. Okay, so um, this is what I've shared for Bank Nifty. Okay, so this is what I've shared. So we are not bluffing anything here. Whatever I've shared, these levels are there, and I'm sharing it in the Telegram channel. So please go and mark those levels in your trading view and then see how this works out. Okay, so this is what I've shared yesterday, and these are the levels which I shared. So lower levels are this and higher levels are this. Higher level is 35,810 on the spot, and lower level on the spot is 35,507, or it may reach up to 535,447. That's what I told yesterday. And see the performance of yesterday, how it done. From here, the day started, it went down till 35,507, and then it went down to 35,447, 435 levels. From here, it picked up and went up to 35,686 level. From there, it went up and hit my exact level of 35,810. So that's how my levels will work. And you don't need to worry and don't need to panic. So these are support and these are resistance level where it will be unique, and it's not be the same that you people do for support and resistance. This is my unique technique, and the levels are marked are will work exactly as it works. Okay, like as support, resistance means resistance. Okay, this is the performance on Nifty, and yesterday I shared this level, right? I shared this level like 815 and 15 815, and then this is how it ended day before yesterday, 35 15 815, and then I shared the levels like so 15,791 is the support, and 15,774 is the support, 15,762 is the support, 15,755 is the support. Either with these three, it should have taken the support. Let's see how this things worked out. See, it started from here and then it came down. It came down and then it took the support of first level 15,774. It took the support here. I showed an trading view. It will be very much easy. Let me see here. This is the Nifty. So this is 14th. So they start. This ended on 13th here. It started from here. The levels I didn't change. Same levels. Okay. So see this. It came down and then see this. I given a level here. So it came here and it hit the exact same level, and then it went up and then it crossed this resistance and then it went up and then crossed up, and then see it came down, but it took the support of the resistance line which I drawn. From there it went up and it took the resistance here, and then it went up and took the resistance here, support here, and then it went up and it up and up, and then it crossed the resistance, and it is struggling with this resistance. So it has to cross this level for further movement. I don't think that will happen today. I don't think this will happen today, but you may get support from here and then it goes here, and then as my gutty feeling, what happens is it will touch 15,916, and after that you may get a good rally, but for today I don't think it will cross 15,916 is the point which I want to make. And then for Bank Nifty, so I share this level, same level. I have not changed anything. This is a level. See this? See exactly the level it took the support, and then it went up, and then up here. So if my predictions are correct, this is a level it can reach, but not today. I don't think my indication are saying that it will not even cross 35,900 today. Okay, if I'm not wrong, this will not cross this level. If I want to draw it and show it, it will be like okay. So my until this time at 10 o'clock, this is the level it can go 810, and then 12 o'clock it may reach up to 887, and then 2 o'clock it may reach up to 887, and then so today it will not cross, as per my understanding, today it will not cross this level. Okay, so so this is how I mark the levels, and it's all very unique technique which I follow. So follow these levels and make money wherever you're getting. And I'm sharing the levels in Telegram channel too. Please be there and enjoy the levels, and then take the calls accordingly. Okay, so this is my Telegram channel I've just shared, and thank you guys. Have a profitable day, and let's enjoy together. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye bye.